If you're repairing your credit, you need to know the difference between temporary and permanent account deletions. If you dispute an account on your credit report and the company does not respond within 30 days, the credit bureaus may remove the account from your credit report. However, this could be an account suppression or a temporary deletion. It's not always a permanent deletion. You see, companies get bogged down in paperwork. They don't always get a chance to respond to dispute letters in a timely manner. So the item will get removed by the credit bureaus but not deleted. And if that company catches up, or when they catch up to paperwork and they do respond and they verify the account in question, and there's no time frame for that, then the account can reappear on your credit report. So when you get an account removed but you don't get a letter from the credit bureau confirming that it's actually been deleted, it's most likely a temporary deletion. So it's best, in my opinion, to try to settle that account while it's off the credit report so that it does not get re-reported or resold to another debt collection agency who then reports it as a new collection account. Now, if you need a debt settlement or a pay for delete letter, go see the link in my bio, Road to 720. I created a free step-by-step DIY dispute guide for you, and it comes with some letters. And then continue to follow me to learn more about credit.